Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So today, we are gonna react to Philip singing Mistletoe, nakanta ni Justin Bieber. So this is a cover or a live band cover para sa Superior Sessions sa channel ni Philip. And again, Mistletoe is one of those Christmas song na sobrang pag napakinggan mo siya, parang sobrang napaka-Christmassy ng kanta mismo. I mean, alam ko yung kanta is for Christmas, but yung melody ng kanta as well. And right now, I'm actually curious kung paano kakantahin to ni Ken or ni Philip. Because again, we all know that Justin Bieber has a, like a soft and thinner voice, I should say, no? Kaysa kay Philip na medyo mas malaki, di ba? So I'm really excited. But I feel like mag-work pa rin naman siya kahit paano kasi again, magaling din si Ken sa R&B, sa mga vocal runs. So let's see, no? Let's see kung paano kakantahin to ni Ken. And this is again a live band cover. So without no further ado, man, let's get it. Grabe, no? Yung itsura ni Ken dito, same lang sa itsura niya ngayon, no? Same lang sa itsura niya ngayon. Man, parang hindi man lang siya, parang walang nagbago, hindi nag-mature yung mukha niya, no? Same lang ngayon. Ngayon nagpaitim siya ng buhok, 'di ba? During Akon performance nila. It's the same, man. It's the same. Kung mapakita mo sa akin itong video na to, for example, hindi ko sila kilala. Kaya mapakita mo sa akin yung Akon performance nila. Tapos ito, isipin ko like same year lang yan or same month, no? Man.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be flying in a winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be flying in a winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe with you. Should it be you?
Still works, man. It still works. Okay, yeah. Bagay pa rin. Bagay pa rin. Bagay pa rin. Kaya na kasi inisip ko, paano kaya nakakantahin to, no? Itong Mistletoe. Sobrang sanay akong painggan to na si Justin Bieber yung kumakanta. No? And minsan parang pag may ibang kumakanta or nagko-cover ng Mistletoe, parang na-off ako. I don't know. But yeah, I mean, it actually works.
With you, should it be you? With you, under the mistletoe.
Nice.
Everyone's gathering around the fire, chestnuts roasting like a hot July. I should be chilling with my folks, I know. I'ma be under the mistletoe. Word in the streets and it's coming at night. Reindeers flying through the sky so high. I should be making a list, I know, but I'ma be under the mistletoe with you. Should it be you? With you. Should it be you? With you.
Gusto mo yung medyo parang breathy na shawty with you. Shawty with you. Sorry, pangit pakinggan pag ako eh.
With you. Should it be you?
Diba? Shawty. Huwag natin payayin sarili natin dito.
Should it be you? With you. Should it be you? With you. Under the mistletoe. With you. Should it be you? With you. Should it be you? With you. Under the mistletoe. The wise man followed the stars, the way I followed my heart.
Mararamdaman mo pag lumalakas na or tumataas na yung boses niya, maririnig mo na yung parang raspy voice niya, no? Pag medyo mataas na yung birit na, 'di ba? Nagiging ganun yung vocals niya. Marinig mo na medyo lumalabas na dun eh.
The stars, the way I followed my
Diba?
heart, and it led me to a miracle in love. Don't you buy me nothing, cause I am feeling one thing. Your lips on my lips. There's a merry, merry Christmas.
Hey,
It's the most beautiful time
let's
of the
go.
year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday.
Imagine, no? Imagine you at the bar just drinking, no? Tapos ito yung kumakanta. Man, it's just fucking chill, no? Chill as... Whew!
But I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in a winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. With you, shawty, with you, shawty, with you, under the mistletoe. With you, shawty, with you, shawty, with you, under the mistletoe.
Let's go, man. Damn. Sheesh, pinakitaan tayo ni Ken Don, no? Pinakitaan tayo ng vocals ni Ken Don. Wow. Alright, well again, that is Philip Mistletoe cover or live band cover ng kanta ni, of course, Justin Bieber. Man, feeling ko nag-flex, no? Nag-flex si Ken ng vocals niya sa akin. Because again, bago natin pakinggan to, parang nagda-doubt ako na parang, paano kaya nakakantahin to? Mabagay kaya sa vocals niya, but wala. Kinakain ko lahat, no? Damn! But yeah. Sheesh, mukhang mapatugtugin ko to sa Pasko, no? Mukhang mapatugtugin natin to sa Pasko. But that's our reaction for today, man. Sana gusto nyo. Leave a like and subscribe. Gusto nyo mag-sabutin yung artist, man, singer, rapper, song, get-react tayo. Just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. And peace.